Audi shift strategy. End of an era for A1 and Q2 models. After more than a decade of production, Audi has officially concluded the manufacturing of its two smallest models, the A1 Super Mini and the Q2 crossover. This move marks a significant pivot in the German automaker's long-term business strategy, signaling a departure from the entry-level compact market. The numbers behind the models since their respective launches, both models have maintained a steady presence in the premium compact segment. Audi A1. Since its debut in 2010, the Super Mini has seen 1,389,658 deliveries. Audi Q2. Since arriving in 2016, the crossover has seen 887,231 units produced. While these figures represent significant market penetration, Audi noted that popularity for both models was particularly concentrated in key European markets, including Germany, the UK, and Italy. A strategic pivot toward profitability, the decision to discontinue these models is not merely a result of declining sales, but a calculated shift in brand positioning. Audi is moving away from the affordable end of the premium spectrum to focus on the more profitable core of the luxury sector. In the automotive industry, small cars often operate on thinner margins due to high production costs relative to their sale price. By phasing out the A1 and Q2, Audi is concentrating its resources on higher-margin vehicles, leaving the A3 hatchback and Q3 SUV as its smallest remaining combustion engine offerings. The electric transition. What comes next? Audi is not leaving the small car segment entirely. Rather, it is redefining it through electrification. The void left by these models will be filled by the A2 e-tron, an electric vehicle, EV, expected to sit below the £30,000 mark. Based on the Volkswagen ID platform, the A2 e-tron will serve as the brand's new entry-level gateway. This transition also triggers a reshuffling of manufacturing logistics across the Volkswagen Group. Production reallocation. Martorell, Spain. The production lines previously used for the A1 will now be repurposed for a new wave of small EVs, including the Cupra Ravel, Skoda Epic, and the Volkswagen ID Polo and ID Cross. Ingolstadt, Germany. The capacity used for the Q2 will be transitioned to support the production of the new A2 e-tron. A new flagship on the horizon, while the brand scales down its entry-level offerings, it is simultaneously looking upward. Audi has confirmed that ****